A stunningly updated 4+1 bedroom brick home with 5 washrooms, nestled in a coveted neighbourhood minutes from the heart of Central West Ajax's historic Pickering Village. Welcome to 63 Sims Drive. An immaculately maintained property showcasing interlocking stone walkways on the north and south sides to a beautiful backyard retreat. Stone landscaping is also extensively used in the front yard, enhancing both the curb appeal and stately presence of this home. The geometric patterned interlocking driveway, its surrounding accent border, and its accompanying walls are finished with an aesthetically pleasing color contrast of light and dark stone, all which is carried over to a spacious west-facing front terrace overlooking front yard greenery and mature trees. Decorative glass inserts dress the entrance door and its side lights, which opens into a home with recently renovated main and upper levels, showcasing numerous upgrades, that is freshly painted throughout, and which has an exceptional ease of flow between its generously sized principal rooms that is an entertainer's dream. Large windows in the living and dining rooms bring beautiful natural light into these sophisticated entertaining spaces. Their neutral decor, crisp white trims, and pot lighting also featured throughout this level. Bringing modern elegance to these spaces is a 2-ring pendant chandelier suspended from a medallion in the dining area, as well as new wide plank hardwood flooring with a subtle neutral tone that balances perfectly with the decor. The hardwood flooring also finishing the reception hall, the den, and both the laundry and family rooms. Equally elegant, and also having an aura of modern sophistication, the family room centers itself around a built-in fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling stacked stone mantel, and contemporary wall sconces bring ambient lighting to this wonderful gathering space, which also has one of 2 sliding door walkouts to the backyard from this level. Incredibly bright, spacious, and fully open to the family room, the stunning modern design of the kitchen is also a showpiece of classic elegance. Above the island is a gorgeous contemporary chandelier. The upgraded polished floor tiles complement the quartz counters and backsplashes. The double undermount sink, oven, range hood, and French door fridge all incorporate the sleekness of stainless steel, and base cabinets in a deep blue shade provide a striking contrast to white upper cabinets that feature valance lighting, crown molding, glass-paneled accent doors, and impressive storage that includes a separate wall pantry. The breakfast area enjoys abundant natural light through the windows along its turret wall. The sliding door walkout opening onto a large entertaining deck with relaxing scenic views of a backyard lined with mature trees on its east and south sides, and the lush greenery of a meticulously maintained lawn. The main level additionally features a powder room with upgraded tiles finishing its floor and accent wall, and a vanity with quartz counter. A private den that is also well suited as a home office, and a laundry room with washer and dryer, a stainless steel sink, a secondary entrance, a laundry chute, as well as access to both the garage and the lower level. And curving gracefully to the upper level is a staircase with updated hardwood treads and a railing with wrought iron pickets, the railing carried along where the upper hallway is open to below. Natural light through west-facing windows, plus a gorgeous 3-ring pendant chandelier above the staircase, brighten the hallway, with this level showcasing pot lighting and new wide plank hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, and 2 beautifully appointed washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all feature double closets and can accommodate sitting or study areas. The third and fourth bedrooms having multiple windows on their west walls for warm natural light. fourth bedroom also featuring walls trimmed with chair rail, and the second bedroom having its own private access to the common use 4-piece washroom. This washroom showcasing upgraded floor and wall tiles, a vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basins, as well as a glass shower with rainfall and handheld showers, and a quartz top shower seat. Incredibly spacious, the impeccable master suite showcases a lovely sitting area by its turret wall, and bringing an aura of peace and serenity to this private retreat are the daily views of greenery visible through the windows along its east wall. Also featuring a double-door entry and a large walk-in closet, its luxuriously appointed ensuite washroom showcases a vanity with quartz counter and undermount basins, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, a glass shower with rainfall and handheld showers, plus a quartz top shower seat, as well as upgraded tiled finishes throughout, including basket weave accent borders and a shower wall inset. The lower level is as immaculately maintained as the rest of the home, and showcases a fully finished open layout with 2 distinct recreational areas that are brightened with pot lighting and which bring exceptional living and entertaining space to the home. Directly off the staircase landing is a games area with laminate flooring, mirrored accent walls that enhance its spaciousness, a wall-to-wall bench seat that also has storage, as well as a 4-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and a wood vanity with countertop basin. The main family recreation area has a kitchen with vinyl plank flooring, a stainless steel sink, and which includes a fridge, stove, and built-in microwave, while broadloom adds coziness to the remainder of the space, as well as to this level's bedroom, which is very comfortable in size, has an oversized above-grade window, ample closet storage, and a 2-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink. The recreation area itself has abundant living, dining, and entertaining space, a gas fireplace for added warmth, and a secondary staircase to the main level that has been updated with new hardwood treads and railing. This level also having potential for use as an in-law suite, with the staircase leading to the laundry room, which has a separate entrance into the home. Walking distance to Lincoln Alexander Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, and Pickering High Schools, and close to public transit, places of worship, as well as local shopping plazas for everyday conveniences. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario, is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.